T.
This is my intro. This is my intro. This is my intro.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all fris. That is my word. Fris tummies. I hope that's you. I hope you're fris. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been about 3 months, but you know, we're here, we survived, we made it, we're back. I cannot believe that it is summer, and yes, I know it is spring season, but 38 degrees does not constitute as spring, and that's the temperature that it's been in Stellenbosch. So as you can see, I'm at home and I haven't been filming because I've been at res and the lighting there is just horrible, and my room literally looks out on maybe bathroom pipes. So no, I'm here to show you guys this cute summer look that we have created here using the Switch Beauty Bubble Blush palette. Very excited about this one. Can't wait to play with it a bit more. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's really awesome to be back filming. Like, personally, I really love sitting and talking to myself in an empty house. Love it. But just if you want to see how we got this summery look, then please keep on watching the video. So as always, going to start with some primer. I got a new spray one, so I'm super excited to use it. Let's go. Well, I ate it, but oh, it's coconut. Yes, friends, now it's time for our favorite foundation, Maybelline Superstay. She's a bit empty, but she'll survive. So just pumping that onto the back of my hand. I think this much will suffice. You know, even though we are going for a summer look, I still want to be full coverage, so and now we look like Casper the Ghost. But it's okay. That's the color of my arm. And now we're going to grab the Allegory Pro Conceal in Natural. And I'm just going to use this to highlight my face. I don't want the porcelain because I think that's going to be too highlighted. And obviously, I'm not the same color I was in winter. So just under the eyes like that. And then a bit of the forehead. And then down the nose. Chin. Alright, now that I'm all concealed, I'm going to be grabbing my Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder, and I'm literally just going to, like, there's so much, but I'm going to touch the outskirts until I have like this much on, and then like basically dust it all off, and then use this amount to set, because I don't want flashback and we don't want to look cakey, and we just want a thin layer because we just don't want our makeup to melt off in maybe 38-degree weather. Yeah, for you. Right, next I'm going to take my bronzer that is almost finished from Essence. If you guys watch my first video, you'll know exactly what this is. I found a new one stored away in a Clicks bag. Bless you, Clicks. So I'm just going to take a lot because it's summer and I want to be bronzy, and just give me the cheekbones. More. I'm using a bigger brush because I want the product to be more evenly distributed and distributed over the entirety of my face because you want to look bronzy. It's summer. This is probably my winter shade of foundation. Yeah, so we need to just fix all of the above. Do my eyebrows with our favorite Colourpop pencil. Now this is actually on its last and I'm very upset about it, but I don't feel like using powder today because we want a light. We never want a light makeup look, I'm sorry. Okay, it's time for the part that I'm so excited to try out. This is the Switch Beauty Bubble Blush palette. And, well, I'm going to be using this on my eyes because I think these are great shades for summer. I'm going to be using Sunset Blur as the, like, crease shade, and I think Flush or Pink Dew on my lid, maybe both. But let's start with Sunset Blur. I'm just going to pick up my fluffy brush. Just go in there. Wow, that picked up immediately. And just apply this in the crease. How disrespectful, it's raining. Are you done? Okay, now that that color is on, I think I'm going to grab Pink Dew just on my finger. Wow! And then apply that on the lid. And I'm going to take Flush and Sunset Blur, these two colors, and just blend the top again. Wow, pretty! Oh, cute! Okay, now I'm going to take Sunset Blur and Flush and put that underneath my eye. Alright, and I'm just doing the same on the other eye. And then I'm just picking up some Sunset Blur again and going over the edges. Just dragging it out. Alright, there's our eyes done. But while we're busy with this palette, I'm going to do some blush, which I never do. Never do. Ever. So I think just because we are new at this, I'm going to pick up some, I don't know, Sunset Blur, okay, and Flush. And just blend that with the contour. I don't know how I feel. Side. Maybe some over my nose. Cute, that looks cute. And then, as always, picking up my I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara by Essence. I'm just gonna use this mirror because I'm not a hero. I'm not gonna try and be a hero. I'm going to reach for my Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the colour Wisp, and I'm going to apply this to the inner corner of my eye, my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow. Ooh, see what difference highlighter makes? It's actually insane. Like, oh, she's ready for summer. So being embarrassing. And then I'm gonna pick up this cute gloss that I got at Discam in the like discount bin thing, and it was a good 17 rand. So again, Leslie being the plug for all your cheap makeup. And I'm going to apply that to my lips. So everyone, this is the finished look. I'm actually super excited and happy with the way it turned out. Like, I think this is going to be the summer look. Do you think it's a summer look? I think it's a flippin' summer look.